Hello everyone, welcome to Wilson in the Family Kitchen. Today we're making pumpkin muffins because it's gonna be Teacher Appreciation Week. So we're making mini muffins for the teachers. We're gonna put the dry ingredients first, but I need to tell you something. There's a difference between baking soda and baking powder. You're probably thinking, what in the world is it? If you mix them both with the same amount, your muffins will be flat, which won't be good. So we start out with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay. We're gonna do half a cup this time because we're also gonna put in half a cup of coconut flour. 1 half. Another half. And that's all the flour. Next up is 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. This smells familiar for some reason. Next up is 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, not baking soda. Steam it. Half a teaspoon.
This is the baking
soda. I want flat muffins. I want nice pumpkin muffins. I want flat. Okay, so now we're gonna put in 1.5. Well, 1 and we try to fill it halfway, but either way. Oh! And now we add salt. First, we have to mix. Hello, now we're gonna dump in our wet ingredients, like this kind of pumpkin. I know that it's special. Why not? This canned pumpkin like smells so good. I really want to try it. In you go. Man, just seeing these eggs crack really cracks me up. Didn't crash it. So I'm back from washing my hands. Now oil. Now we mix. Look like when it's done. No dry streaks. So now we are gonna put this in. Little hats that are waiting to be filled. Let's grab us a spoon and let's get spooning. And the oven is at 375. Okay, so everyone, these are not, we haven't put them in the oven, but you gotta put them in for 10 to 12 minutes, or at least until have a toothpick come out of them clean. I'm putting them in. And I didn't say that at the tin, but okay, so now we're gonna make the glaze for our muffins. And now we shall add in half a teaspoon. Ding! Now we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons. Milk. Boom. 1 or 2. 2 on. Now she'll add in 1 cup of sugar, powdered sugar. Boom, chocolate. Then mix. Okay, so we have the muffins. How to tell that they are done? I'll show you. Let's pick. Clean. And also, I've been staying at 50 subscribers for a while now. Just like staying there. No changes. So I need everyone who's watching, make sure you're subscribed, which means that the subscribe button is gray. Okay? And also, always hit that like button. So now we're glazing the muffins. Don't put too much because it's like fruit and whipped cream. You don't want too much whipped cream or else you won't be able to get to the fruit before you're full. And this is the last part of the video. We try the glaze plus muffin. I'm gonna have to warn teachers about this. Not bad. That's pretty good. So, before we end the video, I have one request for you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. See y'all next time on Wilson in the Family Kitchen. And can't forget, a muffin hat. The last one was tortured, turned into a lampshade. We shall start. No, my hat! You open it. My hat. I gotta take this. Why? Quarter.
1 1/4.
Why? Just this hat. I'm not gonna stay on my head. Stay. Lay. But first, 2 things. 1, my hats hate me. Oil spill. Don't touch that. Got it. Ah! No